Huntington Bank Review 2024 Pros and Cons Detailed Overview. Are you thinking about switching banks or opening a new account? Huntington Bank has been a popular choice for decades, but what makes it stand out in 2024? Let's take a detailed look at the pros and cons so you can decide if it's the right fit. Most people get this wrong by assuming Huntington is just a regional bank with limited offerings. The surprising truth is that Huntington combines the personalized service of a community bank with modern digital tools, making it competitive with larger national banks. Their mobile app and online banking features are intuitive, offering bill pay, mobile deposits, account alerts, and even budgeting tools. A major pro is Huntington's Raise Your Rate checking accounts. These accounts allow you to increase your interest rate on your balance by meeting simple requirements like using your debit card and setting up direct deposit. For savers, this can be a significant perk. Huntington also offers a wide variety of loans, credit cards, and investment options, giving customers a comprehensive financial ecosystem. On the downside, Huntington's physical branches are mostly concentrated in the Midwest, which could be inconvenient if you travel frequently or live elsewhere. Some customers also report higher fees compared to online-only banks, so it's important to review account terms carefully. Another pro is Huntington's customer service. Known for its friendly, community-focused approach, the bank offers personalized support both in branch and via phone. Their overdraft assist and fraud protection programs are designed to give customers peace of mind. In conclusion, Huntington Bank in 2024 is a strong option for those who value a mix of personal service and digital convenience. If you live in their branch network area, enjoy accessible customer support, and want flexible account options with competitive features, Huntington can be a reliable partner for your financial needs. However, if you prioritize nationwide branch access or ultra-low fees, you may want to compare Huntington with online banking alternatives.